Alrighty. Oh, I just realized there's a delay. Give me a second. That's kind of dumb. God, why is the delay really bad? Oh, I gotta copy this link. If you don't know already, we have a Patreon. I'm gonna put that on the screen while I do this. So I don't know if the audio's alright. I hope it is. Just Yona, what's up, Rev? I don't have school. No, it's Sunday. Right? Yeah, it's Sunday. And I got school tomorrow regardless. Because it's, in the United States, it's Memorial Day. Okay, so, I was just, what's it called? Ethan Peacock. Hey man, I want to thank you for the videos. That's awesome, Ethan. Appreciate the thing. What's up, XX? I'm really bad at everything. Me2 in my country. It's what is that, like 8? No, it's like 7 o'clock. How you doing? I'm doing all right. Can you make a script that shows position? I actually got to see the whole thing here. Shows your position. Yeah, we're gonna do a bunch of stuff today with the ESX, with ESX. Where is it? I was just gonna plan on making a menu just so we could learn all the ESX functions that we don't know yet. So I don't know. It was in local, yeah. So I'm gonna start off with just setting this up a little more. Yes. Underscore extended. So pretty much local.lua just lets you use any ESX function. I don't know. I just did like 5 minutes of researching. So yeah. Okay. Give me a second. Okay, yeah, I was gonna go back to menu, close out a Patreon there. Go ahead, check it out, guys. Finishing your server today, nice. What's up, Scott, UK? ESX bad framework, it sure is. But that's what our audience wants. Native UI was the best thing ever created for FiveM. That's what I use for all my servers menus. That's awesome. That's awesome. What was I gonna do? Oh yeah, I need to actually. Is there any ESX documentation? No. ESX documentation scripting. I wonder if there is actual scripting for ESX. Hey, look, there's our video. Let's see here. That's to install it. We spent a long time in there. Okay, it doesn't look like it. I'm just gonna be using the GitHub just so you could look at the thing here. I don't know. What does it use? Okay, so no, that's the language. Let's see here. Functions, okay. Get weapon, okay, this looks like what we're doing here. So I'm gonna start reading better. To have everyone, you need a static IP or no, you don't have to actually do that. You can port forward on your own network if you have like a dynamic IP, like the one that changes constantly. Just you can use a DNS solution like what's it called? I think it's noip.com. This is what I use for that zip.dns.net. I use this because it's free and it works fine. So what do you think about Steam and FiveM, the brawl that's going on? Honestly, I know what's going on. What's it called? Steam is kind of making it harder for FiveM to actually use the Steam IDs or pull Steam IDs through like their whole authentication thing. And honestly, I mean, it's not really like that bad because someone said what's it called, doing it through the FiveM forums, and honestly I thought that was a really good idea. It'd probably make do for a better alternative there. I'm gonna shut this music off. It's giving me 8. Okay. What is it doing? Why is this in here? Okay. So this episode, I don't know if you know already, but I'm just gonna learn what's it called? I'm just gonna learn how to or learn all these functions in here. Oh, there's not even that many. Pretty sure there are more. Isn't there like more stuff? I don't know. I gotta get used to it just so I know what I'm working with. And I got all this code from what's it called? Live streams on twitch.tv/Zwack. I think there are some videos. I don't know, but it's pretty much just like a stock. What's it called? Stock. What am I saying? This is like a stock menu resource. So yeah, I'm gonna get rid of that. Yeah. So okay, I'm pretty much just gonna learn what's going on here. Maybe just try to make some implementations with what's going on with ESX here, because I've never done this before. So that, you know, last live stream it will be pretty bad. So the identifier will go to the forum. I mean, that's what I'm hoping for. It sounds like a great idea. I don't know. You could link it through, because you can link it through FiveM right now. The forum. What is it? Forum.fivem.net. You can link. I'm not even logged in, but you can link it through there, and you can link your FiveM client through there, and that sounds like a good idea. Honestly, they should just use that. I mean, I'm guessing there's a lot more work to that, but I'm just saying it sounds like a good idea. I gotta figure out how to actually what's it called? How to actually do stuff in this. I might have to look at other resources just to see what they do. What's the order? Let's see here. Because that would be cool. Yeah, I think that'd be really cool. Okay, there really is no documentation for the scripting, right? So we gotta go through this, figure out what we're doing here. Okay. Yeah, aren't these just a bunch of strings? Yeah. There's really nothing else in there. Functions. This might be it. Yeah, this is definitely it. I mean, regardless, I think these should all be fine. I don't know, I'm just gonna start off with the simple stuff. Never made an ESX resource. I don't know how any of this works, but I'm guessing you have to do. Here, I'm gonna look at like an ESX script just to see what I'm working off with. Because when there's no documentation, you gotta look at the code and figure out how it works, or you could just look at other people's code. I guess that's a lot faster with what we're doing here. We'll just use ESX animations. Sure. Okay. That looks AIDS. ESX is nil. Okay. Let's see here. And then what do they import? already done that. Okay, they have that as a dependency. Do they not have anything else? Okay. I also just add that there. Sounds cool. Okay, that's pretty much it, I guess. I'm just gonna log off of what he does. Let's see if, okay, so you need an ESX is equal to nil up here. Really no idea what that is, but whatever. Well, it's nil get shared object. I've heard of this, no idea what it does though. Let's see. Get shared object, is that even a thing in here? Nope. So that might be somewhere else. Oh, isn't wrapper have stuff? Where is it? Locals, no. Common functions. Not in here either, whatever. I'm gonna go back to where I was at, which is in the, where is it at? Functions? No, I was just there. Was I there? Yeah, I was there. Common, no, client, functions. Okay. Okay, so he pretty much just makes ESX equal to nil. He runs whatever this event does every frame, and okay. Start scenario, whatever that was. Is that a function here? It's probably not right here. Okay. And input is disabled. First of all, I'm gonna change this because this is E right now. I'm gonna go change that. The key to open this this menu that we have, it's E, and E is like not a good thing. We'll change it to what do we change it to? This is all controller stuff, right? Is it? Or am I just done? What am I doing? Oh, they're all the same. Okay, I'm done. We'll change it to Z 48. I think that says Z, so I'm guessing you need to do that. How do you make your own Rust server? You don't. Yeah, yeah, Luis, I know that's you. Okay. Honestly, no idea what I'm doing. Let's just guess and check, I guess. Let's just do that. We have ESX equal to nil. No idea what this does, regardless. I'm just gonna do a Google search, see what it does. Nope, not gonna do that. Get shared. Okay, that's just gonna return ESX, whatever that means. ESX. Okay. Where is this? Common. Yeah, that's under server. Okay. What did you say? To work with ESX resource, you have to copy the thread with shared object, or else you will get error. Yeah, that's what that's what it is right here. I guess I'll just, yeah. Now we got 2 threads. Or should I put it in the same thread? That's smart. He's got 2 threads. I'll do 2 threads. It's gonna copy him. Put it up here. Do you get money showing with ESX, or you only get displayed bank black money? The person in the last live stream, he said to install ES_UI that fixed it for me, and you had to change one of the the home key doesn't work still, the home menu. We just changed one of the function names, or one of the command names, to something else, so it will work. So yeah, that's what we did. We changed set money for the ES or essential mode. We changed it to something else. Okay. Let's see here. I was gonna look through here and just take stuff out. So print ESX player data. Here, let's just see if this works, if we can just like use a simple little ESX message. So I'm going to, I have this set up where it does like a chat menu for my previous streams. I'm gonna do this, so it'll do ESX. I'm hoping it's just this simple, but you know, I'm learning with you guys here. Notification txt. This is pretty much like an input thing I pulled from someone else on the forums right here, I think by Flat Tracer. I pulled it from some script, I don't remember what, but yeah. Okay, I'm gonna start that. Oh wait, do I even have the thing? What am I doing? Learning ESX and how it's script or made, pretty much. So if I can do that, then pretty much it'll be easy for me. I don't know, you just gotta get your hands wet. This is OCD, by the way. God, I'm so bad. Okay, I mean, those are started, whatever, we can start it. Hopefully my computer doesn't die, because last stream, from like yesterday, it was laggy, and I looked back at it, and it was so laggy. I'm really sorry about that one, but yeah. I'm gonna go to localhost. Can't load. Okay, what did I do wrong? Wow, okay, I got a lot of hits there. Okay. Menu. What did it say? Menu. Oh, I forgot a comma here. Oops. Refresh. Restart menu. Are you creating a framework from scratch? Or I'm using ESX. Hopefully I can learn how to use ESX to where I'll just, I don't know, I've seen a bunch of people completely modify ESX to a point at which like it's different, and I want to be able to do that because first of all, if I could rewrite it, that'd be a lot better than making it from scratch, because first of all, that's a lot of work. Some stuff I'm probably not going to know how to do, so I'm just going to probably piggy bank off this code if I can ever learn it. But you know, I'm going to learn it with you guys, so yeah, it's going to be a pretty fun adventure, because I have no idea how ESX works. It took me an hour 30 yesterday to figure out. Well, I didn't even figure it out, someone else figured it out for me. Okay. Let's do this again. Something bad. Okay. What did I make it? Z? Okay. Test. Oh, that worked. The ES. Okay. Awesome. Okay, so I mean, I'm guessing it's just, that's how you use that. Have that thread running constantly. That sounds AIDS. Okay, I'm gonna look through more of this. Oh, hey, look at that. The menus work now. I'm just gonna click enter. Yeah, it's gonna be really, I don't know if it's laggy on stream. It looks good on my end, but could be bad. I'm just wondering why you're working with ESX, because from my understanding, FiveM pushes a one sync ESX won't be able to use anymore. I don't know if that's true. I mean, it might be, but oh, I have Lambda, by the way. Okay, it's so loud. It's true. I mean, I don't think it matters, because I'm not getting one sync anytime soon, even though it's gonna be like later. Yeah, I have a bunch of stuff open here. I'm just kind of learning ESX, like maybe I could do something with it in the future. What was I gonna do? I was gonna change the allowed FiveM is for me at least. Okay. Okay, yeah, I was gonna do this. Oh, did it break? Whatever. Let's see here. Show advanced notification. Show help notification. Is there anything you can do with like the what's it called? And I just want to learn how this works. Menu. God, those would look like a lot of parameters. I want to just do something simple. I don't know, what should I even do? Show inventory item. Does like F2 work? Okay, well, at least that works. Oh, I have lambda on. I should probably turn that off. Was it like SV underscore? I don't even know what it's called. It's in my server.cfg though, that's for sure. Okay, this is it. Let's set that to 0. So it shouldn't be, yeah, I guess that's caused the restart, whatever. We'll just have it on. Okay. I mean, the menu seems like it's working. I can give you my server. No, thank you, man. I'm gonna try to do this myself with you guys. I'm trying now how to sync some particles with all players. But I need friends to see if it works. Awesome. That seems pretty complicated. Okay. What I was doing was figuring out. I don't know what to do. Like, I really don't know what to start off with here. Let's see. Alright, let's try this. Game teleport. Okay, yeah, ESX game teleport. Let's just try that. We'll make a separate thing for it. Instead of calling this chat menu, I'll just call it main. Yeah, I don't know. And then we gotta add a local, what we're gonna call this, TP equal to native UI. I don't really remember this by heart, but I'm just gonna copy it from how I did it right above. What's the difference between ESX and VRP? Honestly, excuse me, it's just pretty bad. I mean, they're both like, I don't know, VRP looks horrible, and what's it called? ESX looks a little more presentable, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Literally just copying what I typed up here. I don't know by heart the other ones. I did it before in an episode where we did native UI, but yeah, I'm just gonna try to keep it simple. I haven't really had time to follow your streams. Where did you get your database all set up, or did that come with ESX? Currently doing my own framework, so no ESX. Well, I have. Oh, I don't even have XAMPP running. Do I? I'm pretty sure I have XAMPP running. I just realized. Yeah, you need XAMPP, by the way. I have. Oh, I know. I have to. Okay, that's weird. I have 2 instances of XAMPP open. Okay, well, you install XAMPP control panel. You essentially just click start. That has your database. You need to import the SQLs, all the SQLs that came with it. Watch our previous first stream where we set that all up. But yeah, I should probably. I think chat. If item is equal to chat. No, I don't think it matters in a sub menu. Yeah, I don't think that matters. Chat.activated. I mean, whatever. We'll see if it breaks. Okay, I'm gonna do this ESX game teleport. The first one's entity, so I'm guessing that's just us. So I'm just gonna do player head ID. Second one chords. Get player, or I don't even remember. I think, is it get player chords or get entity chords? website, FiveM natives. Get player chords. Get entity. Am I dumb? Okay, right here. Yeah, I am dumb. Oh, get player chords. That's the only thing I'm actually getting a database for economy and inventory high. What's with the native UI? I'm just chilling, man. That's what I'm doing. I already have XAMPP, but I can't figure out is the tables. But I guess I'll check on the other stream then. Thanks. No problem, man. Didn't even do anything. I got you. Player pet ID. I don't think I'm supposed to be using player pet ID for all of these. Let's just see. What's the last parameter? Callback. What do I do for that? I have no idea how to use a callback for this. This doesn't require more than one. I'll just write. What am I supposed to use for callback? I mean, it says nil, so I'll just keep it nil. I'll restart menu. Oh no, it's not. It's Z now. Oh wait. What did I do? Isn't it supposed to be like? Oh, I never added it. Submenu. Add item. What did I add? TP. Okay. Now let me restart that. Okay, yeah, it's teleporting me to myself. So I need to teleport it somewhere else. Now, in one of our episodes, funny enough, I don't know, I just use the website, whatever. We actually do. I have it somewhere. I have the airport. I'll just do that. I could just be using set entity chords, but I'm figuring out how this all works. Where is it at? It's called like vectors. Yeah, right here. I'm just gonna copy the vectors. Okay, I'll just put it in here. Screw it. Then we're gonna make it put it right here at V1. Restart it. Does that even? Okay, that works. Okay. Alright, that works. I'm gonna make a simple thing where I could just spawn a car real fast. Oh, my game is so okay. What do I call it? Main. Okay. I'll call. Oh god. Okay, I'm gonna call this one. Second one at least. Local car is equal to pretty much what I just wrote up there. Spawn car. The second one will be spawn. Oh shoot, it's gotta be in a string. Spawn car of your choice. God. Okay. Now I'm going to do car.activated. I probably should be putting in a little more effort in the diversity of these menus, but like I said, getting used to it. Okay, getting used to ESX. Okay, then the next one, I already have a function called spawn car. We're going to be spawning the car of the input that we get on screen. So txt, enter a car, a valid car name. Oh, don't I have a valid model somewhere? Somewhere up here now. I guess I'll just use valid model. I think that's for a model, like changing your model. Okay, so alright, sorry about that. Yeah, let's restart that. forgot to add it again. Shoot. Okay, adder is like the only car I know. Okay, then I just wanted that just so I could drive around. Okay, now I'm going to find another thing. Let's see. Delete vehicle. Okay, so I'm gonna make it. What's it called? I'm gonna make a command that deletes the vehicle. And we'll call it DV. I don't use raw command, by the way. For the last parameter register command, I never do. Okay, so we're gonna do. Oh wait, ESX spawn. Yeah, no, I'm just gonna use that instead, just so it'll be better. Instead of spawn car, we'll do ESX spawn car. Where is it? Model name. Chords. So I'm guessing that'll just be us. Get entity chords. And the last parameter, or no, there's two more. Heading. I'm pretty sure there is a thing for that. Yeah, right here. Get entity heading. Shoot. What's up, email? What's up, Alyssa Network? Are you modifying ESX or are you building your own framework with sample from ESX? I'm just learning ESX right now. I'm learning how it works, so we can hopefully write some more scripts, and then I can actually just piggy bank off the code to maybe where I can make my own. Who knows? We'll have to see. Oh god, this is really tiny. I'm gonna make this a little bigger for myself. Get entity heading, which is just gonna get where we're heading at. Then the last parameter, what is it? Callback. I'm just gonna keep it no because I have no idea what I'm supposed to put there. Is there? Yeah, okay. Okay, let's see. Get entity chords. Did I spell it wrong? Or nil value? Get entity chords. Did I spell that wrong? Pretty sure I spelled it right. No, I spelled it wrong. I don't know what I spelled wrong about it though. Okay, works from ESX. Now what I'm gonna do is do the DV. Yeah, that's what I was gonna do. I'm gonna get rid of it. Actually, I'll keep it. Where is it at? Delete vehicle right here. So going to do esx dot game dot delete object equal to, or no, stupid, object. So I'm gonna do the, don't know the native for it, but it's like head is in, yeah, this, okay. Okay, my bad for that. I was muted and I forgot to unmute. My bad for that. Sorry. Well, what I was just saying to myself, and I was just trying to find a UI notification for it, and I tried. Okay, sorry about that. Let's see here. Show help notification. There are events for it. Okay. Yeah, we'll do this. Doesn't matter. Show help notification. We'll do like deleted. There's a native for it somewhere. I'm not muted. I should be muted. Am I muted? I mean, in OBS it says I'm not muted. Yeah, I mean, well, it doesn't sound like it. There are a lot of natives that look juicy. What was I gonna do? I was gonna get like display and name. Yeah, this is what I was looking for. I did this somewhere else. Get display name from model, or no, I'm not supposed to do that. I'm just supposed to join it. Can you do a live stream that makes a menu-based server? I would, but it'd be a lot better actually, because first of all, it'd be from scratch, and I would know how to do it, and it'd be original. And but a lot of people don't want that. People want ESX, so I'm giving it to them. Unfortunately, that's how it works. I'm gonna make a new variable called local v. So we'll delete v, and then we will put the variable in here. Deleted. Okay, now if we were to restart that, it should tell me. Actually, I'll make it red too. That makes it red. Tilde. And then that. Car not found. Oh yeah, that's because I'm not in a car. So let's say if we're in a car. Actually, let me see what v is. I think it's equal to nil. Let me do that real fast. Print v. Zero. Okay, so if it's equal to 0, so if v is equal to 0, or v is equal to nil, then we're going to ESX dot show notification car not found, and we'll make it in red. Oh. And then we'll make this green. I don't know if return works. I guess the return works. I've used it before. Yeah, car not found. Now if I were to get in a car, it doesn't put me in the car. It's fine. We're gonna do delete vehicle, and it'll not do that. Okay. Oh wait, I never put V back in here. Shoot. Let's try that again. Can you make a phone script? I'll use ESX phone later. I think. I don't know. Whatever we do in the future. Let's see. Slash delete del v y. Get display name from vehicle model. Oh wait, am I supposed to be using the? Oh no, get entity hash. I never use the hash. Get entity hash. That's a native that pretty much just hashes whatever you put in it, or at least the vehicle. So yeah, wait, it should be a hash. It should return a hash though, right? So I'm guessing. What did I do wrong? I didn't do something right. Oh yeah, I forgot a parentheses. There's a lot of parentheses there. I didn't mean to hit that car. Yeah, you got a welfare check, awesome. I didn't get the notification though. Is there any? Oh, there is a problem. Get entity hash. Did I spell that wrong too? Am I just dumb? Oh, get hash key, not entity hash. I'm dumb. Yeah, I am dumb. Get hash key. That's what it is. I really should be using those natives more. Or the native thing. Are you joking? What did I do? Whatever. It's supposed to give me the I don't know what. I mean, it should just work with fee. I mean, I have no idea. Is there really not supposed to be an extra? Or did I just? Am I just rushing it? Probably like a problem what I'm doing. Whatever, I really don't care. We'll just keep it deleted car. Yeah. Now let's look through more. Recommendation. Oh, I don't know what I just did. Let's see here. ESX menu. This menu stuff looks like a lot of work. I do not want to potentially do show inventory. Okay. Oh, you have draw text 3D. I actually made a resource for that. It's on the FiveM forums that you can use. We'll try that. Does it run? No, it doesn't run constantly. I'd have to put it in a thread. Let's try that. Where's vector 3 or vector 1? Put that on the top. I'm gonna copy that. And chords, we'll just put in vector 3. Text, ESX text, and size, we'll give it like 3. I don't know the scale, or how they did the scale for this. I really hate how it doesn't put you in the thing. Oh wait, it should be right there. That's what vector. I thought it was like somewhere else. Vector 3 is like right here. Did I do something? Oh yeah, I did. I didn't even check. Index. Maybe I'm not supposed to put it in here. I'm supposed to put it. I'll put it in this thread. Still, I don't really know what it function. Did I spell something wrong? function reference. That's what it's saying. I didn't spell it wrong. I don't really care. I have my own utility for that. I'm not supposed to, whatever. Let's see here. Oh, is this, what function is this? This is a huge function. Get set vehicle properties. Vehicle props. Oh, I see how this works. Let's try that. We can put this in a, in the thing, the menu. Local, what do we call it? Modify car equal to native UI.create item. Change cars props properties. What I meant for abbreviation. Let's see. What is the second one? It's a description. Change your cars properties. Okay. I mean, I can just honestly copy all of this, change things. Does not matter. We'll just change that. Do you have a good breathalyzer? I'm a big fan. What's up, Mr. Taco? I don't have a breathalyzer script. Alyssa Network, what do you think? How NoPixel makes their custom chat box? I mean, it's quite simple. Making the chat script. I mean, if you have like the back end stuff done, it's the front end is really easy. That's what I'm trying to say, at least. So, I mean, what do I think? I don't even know what it looks like, but yeah, pretty much. Enter a valid car property name. What was it gonna do? So I'm guessing we'd have to make a variable that I'm gonna copy from down here. V local v is equal to I mean that's equal to that, and then we'd have to do what we're doing right here. ESX game set properties vehicle, so v, and then the property. So that looks like a table because you can tell it's a table. I feel like because prop.plate, these are all what's called so they look like table entities when you were to use them. I don't know, if it doesn't work, we can probably Google it or something. We'll change the plate, or what's the plate even supposed to be? Let's see. Prop.wheels. Set wheel type. I don't know what any of these are supposed to mean. Smoke mod enabled. Let's just try that. I'm guessing this is right here. It's equal to true. I actually don't know. I think it's supposed to be like this. We're gonna keep that comment out because we don't need to use it. Start menu. No errors. I mean, right now at least. Or now, shoot. What did I call it? I never added it. I keep forgetting to do that. You think you'd be able to create a breathalyzer script? I don't know how that works. I don't even know what a breathalyzer is. Modified car, that's what it's called. Oh, I'm in a Hydra. I should probably go in like a adder, maybe. Shoot, what did I do? Oh no. Okay, cool. I guess. We'll just go on this one. Change car props. What did this do again? I mean, I don't get any errors. Toggle vehicle, it's smoke enabled. Does that look like smoke has been enabled? Don't know. Maybe? I don't know. Let's see something else that's like easier. Tire smoke color. Smoke. Oh my god, that looks like a lot of. I don't even know what like any of these are. Actually, we could probably, because these are all using natives. I can just check here. Smart tire smoke. Oh, these are RGB. Okay. Okay, that's a lot easier to work with. Let's go back to here. So these are. Okay, let me try. Okay, and then I don't even think that's how you're supposed to do it. Mod smoke. Okay, so props dot. Oh wait, I don't even need to make this 2 times. I can just go to here. Tire smoke color is equal to that looks like a lot of natives. Equal to the first one is going to be, I'm guessing this is a table and a table that has give it like 25500, which is like what is it? We'll see. I think that's red. Yeah, that's red. Oh yeah, that does work. It's red now. At least the tire trail is. That's cool. That kind of matches the color scheme there. Let's see what else. Not spoilers. False. Let's see. I mean, I guess it's. Let's try this one. I need to see how this works. A vehicle mod. Mod type. Okay, that's a lot of natives. So is this like in 0 through 49? Okay, so I'm guessing this is 1. Okay. Mod index, mod type. Okay, that looks like stuff that I don't want to do. Let's see what else. Oh, this is another thing. Get that gets properties. Get peds. Get vehicle and direction. What does that return? Okay. All right, here. It just returns the number. Get vehicles in area. Let's try this one out. What is area equal to? What? Chords and then area. What is area even equal to? I gotta go soon. We'll just look for something else. Get closest vehicle. Let's just do this one. What does that return? Okay, whatever. Let's try it out. I'm gonna put it in here. Instead of doing that, we can, instead of not being able to find the car, we can just try ESX get closest vehicle chords, which is us. We can do our chords. In fact, I'll just make a variable that says local chords equal to get entity chords player pet ID chords. And then we could potentially just delete it. What is it returning? I actually don't know what it returns. Oh, that's a capital P. Oops. Slash del. Oh, no, I gotta get out of the car. Del. Oh, let's see. 5 point. So those are two different numbers. I don't know what those numbers do though. Like I don't know how to use those numbers. Is that the, or is that the thing? Or what if we do I just want to see how this is all sourced. If I were to do slash del v car 3. Oh yeah, that is the number that I'm getting up there, but it's returning it's returning the distance. I don't want it to return the distance, so what I'm gonna do is go to resources, ES extended, where's a client, functions. I'm gonna scroll down to get closest vehicle, and I'm going to make it return only the closest vehicle. So in theory, that should just delete. What's it called? It should just delete the vehicle, or it'll delete whatever this is. Okay. Let's see if that works. Shoot, no, it's del v. Oh yeah, that does work. Yeah. What if it's like far? Oh god, yeah, that's like, it's gonna delete anything. So there should be a radius. It's kind of cool though. I actually gotta go. It's been an hour. We'll resume off this, learning more of the natives. Boring stuff for some, but yeah, I mean, I can delete whatever I want. So yeah, I just pretty much just changed whatever that was a part of. But yeah, I'll see you guys later. I'll definitely continue this series, and I'll continue the scripting series for those of you that are interested in it. Oh, excuse me. And yeah, I'll see you guys later, and yeah, goodbye. I gotta end the stream. Alright, see you guys.